Hey, it's Jason. I am out here at a rec pond that we built 2.5, 3 years ago. And I wanted to stop out, take a look, and show you what they look like a few years down the road. This rec pond looks fantastic. And what has really changed from when we finished is the plantings. They have filled in, they start to hide and soften everything. You can't see where one rock stops and the next one starts because of the way that the landscaping comes in and just starts to spread out and really soften everything. So a lot of the time when I'm out on new projects and talking to people about new projects and all those kinds of things, this is what I'm talking about. Over time, it just gets better and better. One awesome thing that I love about rec ponds is they look great year round. And this is what I'm talking about. Even though right now that water's 60 degrees and people aren't necessarily jumping in and jumping out very often, you still have a very beautiful, natural looking water feature in your backyard. You have all the perks of a swimming pool. This thing is 6 feet deep. You should absolutely jump in there and enjoy it the way that it was intended to be used. The big difference between rec ponds and swimming pools is that this is what the pond looks like throughout the season. You're gonna get those 4 seasons of change, and to me, this looks absolutely beautiful compared to a pool with a cover across the top of it. It just looks beautiful, and that is one of my favorite parts about rec ponds. Huge difference between swimming pools and rec ponds is this is being biologically and mechanically filtered without any chemicals. So up there at the top, we have our biological filter. That is what's keeping this water crystal clear. I can see all the way to the bottom of this right now. I can see the colors of the gravel. We actually have another biological filter on the very bottom of this system, all the way at the bottom, which is giving us even more filtration, which is creating less stir up. Over here is my mechanical filter, which is pulling all the debris in that we are able to collect any leaves and debris and those kinds of things. It is a totally different system than a swimming pool, and rec ponds are fantastic because I love how you just get the 4 seasons of enjoyment out of them. If you want any information on rec ponds, please reach out to us. We want to talk to you about them. If you have any questions on this video, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we look forward to building your outdoor dreams. Install a rec pond, they're awesome.